Miss Maeve, are you eating that jelly toy? What's going on? Look at Riley, Maeve. Look at Riley, he's playing behind you. What is Riley doing, that silly boy? Ma. Seamus is here enjoying the sun. Riley and Maeve. What do you think? You're gonna keep talking? You're going with the silent approach today. Let me have this. Let me have this toy. I took your toy. I took your toy. Come get it. Oh, crash! Oh, crash! Okay, let's back up. There we go. Here you go. The hat's blocking. Are you gonna get up and crawl? It's right here. Tell me. What do you think? The blue one tastes good with the stars. Come on, crawl over. Come on, crawl over. Yes. That's pretty good. Come on, crawl over. Here it is, Maeve. Here it is, sweet girl. Come on, come get him. Come on, you can do it. Oh, you can do it. Come on. Up on those knees. Come on. Still checking out Riley in the back? Hello, Riley. Hello, Riley. Checking him out? Come on. Maeve. Mavo, come get your toys. Are you gonna go get Shame? Look, there's his tail. Look, here's his tail. Look, here's his tail. Come on, pull yourself forward. Hi. What do you think? You gonna do it? Gonna crawl? There you go. Oh! You singing like the birdies? Do you see any birds, Maeve? I can hear them, I can't see any. Talk. Come here, Shame. Lay down. Gentle. Oh, nice girl. Nice girl. No. Be nice, Shame. Be nice to Seamus. No eating him. No eating him. Gentle, Maeve. Gentle. Gentle. Hi, Shame. Hi, Seamus. Okay, gentle. Gentle. No licking. What's he doing? He's licking your foot. Hey, gentle. Hi, buddy. Hi, Seamus. I'm petting him. That's so nice. Hey, easy. You playing with his foot? Easy, Shame. Easy. Gentle, Maeve. Gentle, Maeve. Hey. Gentle. Look at Seamus laying here with you playing. Look at Seamus playing with Maeve. Gentle. Grabbed his hand. You shaking his hand? Shake. Tell Seamus shake. Shake. Easy. Easy. Is that it, Hip? All done?